let me give you all
There's a
this.
house 2 doors over, and it's had the coming soon sign for like a month now.
Okay, remember, I'm gonna teach you something. Just trust me, I got you. I was done at 11:30. I want y'all to know this. Juanita, I was done at 11:30.
It's okay.
They
It's okay.
they
It's
trying.
okay. It's okay.
I was done at 11:30. They
It's okay.
begging for more information.
Yes.
Are you doing a training, or is this just a different piece of information where you have, I notice you have guaranteed sale or I'll buy your home. Is
Mm-hmm.
that like a different program or is that a different training or what is that?
All those. But guess
Okay.
what? You have the same thing. If you go through your 5 hours, I just put the script in here. Y'all better get it. Okay, I'll put it in chat. Okay. You have a what is it called? Express offers. You could go out and tell the world and stop being a secret agent. Mr. and Mrs. Smith, guaranteed cash offer on your home. Why? How do you know you can do it? Because you're at EXP and all you do is take a 5 hour class, right?
Okay.
And then you you get her address to the Express Offer System. They're gonna come back and give you an offer, and you take it over there. Are they gonna take it? No, or they might. Who cares? At least you're doing more than what most agents are doing. You're bringing an offer. All right, you have the script. Make sure you get it, because when we get out of here, that's it. All right, Jill asked a question. What was your question, Jill?
Oh, I said, could you bring buyers by like in an open house type of situation for a house that is listed by another agent?
Love it. Great question. Income producing activity question. Love it.
I
You
don't
would.
see
You don't see
it.
it.
On the side.
I'm looking right at it in the chat. Come on.
In the chat.
Technology challenge. Let's get it. All right. Juanita, send it to you. All right.
I'll send it to you.
Thanks, Juanita. Awesome. All right. So yes, the answer is yes, you can, as long as you have permission from the real estate agent. Another wheel of getting listings is let's just put it like this. Let's say we were all top listing agents here. We're the top 1% or 1%. Awesome.
And would that conversation go the same as if you were calling it for sale by owner?
Yeah.
I mean,
So
similar?
let's role play it, Jill. You're a top agent. You got 100 listings out here right now. You're Mark Spain.
Okay.
You're the Jillian Jones team. Hey, Jill, I noticed you had a listing over here that's coming soon. I'm a real estate agent over at EXP, and I have a database of 14,000 buyers. Is it okay for me to market your listing to my database?
Okay.
Okay. By law, I can't market your listing unless we have an agreement in place to be able to do that. So is it okay if I would send you over an agreement that just says that I can market your listing and you sign it, I sign it, everything's okay with that?
I don't think there's going to be a problem selling the house.
Okay. But would you like extra marketing help?
Pardon me?
Would you like me to help you market the house just on my own, bring my buyers over to you?
Yeah, you can bring buyers.
Okay. I noticed you guys, let's just say it was already listed. Most people are not going to do a pre-listing. Most people are going to do it after they have open. I know you had an open house. Is it okay if I could do another open house and just bring my buyers to the house, and then if I got an offer, I just negotiate it with you just like I would as if I had one buyer by myself?
Sure, I guess, yeah.
Okay, great. All right. So just tell your sellers that you have an auxiliary team, another team, and somebody from our company is going to come in and do another open house as part of your network, and then we'll go do another open house for you, and then we're not going to bring any signage or anything. We're going to still use your sign. I just want to market it all over the internet and bring more buyers because obviously right now the home hasn't sold. Sound good?
Okay.
All right, great. So yeah, you can do it. So here's the best thing to do. Do it with builders. Don't let that go over your head. Go to the subdivision right down the street from where you live. I have a whole nother training on that. Go to the real estate agent on site. And just how about this? Just go over there and just trust me on this. How about this? Why don't you, on your lunch break today, when you go get your Starbucks and your turkey sandwich today, drive by, make sure you're looking attractive, guys and girls. Drive by the subdivision near you and go by the inside sales agent and say, hey, I noticed you guys got some beautiful homes over here. Would it be okay if I brought 10 to 15 buyers over here next Saturday between 1 and 2 or Sunday between 3 and 4 to take a look at them? So you could sell more, close out the subdivision, and move on to the next subdivision? Y'all all shaking your heads.
Yes.
I don't know. What,
Absolutely.
Why would they say no?
exactly. The only question is,
So
will you?
I do have a
put
question.
suit on today, put your makeup on, get your hair done, go get you a turkey sandwich, get you a Starbucks, and will you pull up to the subdivision today?
Yes.
Because ain't no other reason to talk to no buyers on the phone except to set up appointments for the rest of the week. Should be doing agent attraction today.
Got it.